Jai Hind. A very warm greeting to all the respectable persons present over here. Today, I, Vivek Ranjan Sahu from Unit 12 Odisha BNNCC Dhenkanal, would like to deliver a speech on Constitution of India. Our Constitution, which came into effect on 26 November 1949. Our Constitution tells us how our country should work. It gives certain valuable rights to all the citizens of India, which are absent in other countries. An interesting point to know is that our constitution was criticized a lot in the beginning. Winston Churchill had said that the newly independent India will not be able to survive, but the efforts of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Jawaharlal Nehru had made the impossible thing possible by bringing all the divided states together. A lot of other people had made their valuable contributions to forming our constitution. The immortal name amongst them is the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who was the chairman of drafting committee. We had recently celebrated the 70th anniversary of our constitution. Our constitution has features of various countries in it. Dr. Ambedkar, one of the most intellectual people, had analyzed the constitution of various countries and had adopted the goods from it to get it incorporated in the Indian constitution. We had learned, adopted, and incorporated all the positives of the constitution worldwide. Our constitution is considered to be the longest written constitution in the world. The original handwritten constitution has been kept and preserved in the Parliament Library, New Delhi. It was handwritten by Mr. Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. There are 1,17,369 words in the original English version of the Constitution. The diverse population of India leads to the amendments. The ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity had been adopted from the French Revolution. It took approximately 3 years to finalize the performance of our Constitution. 3 countries have started writing their constitutions together. Those are India, Israel, and Pakistan. The Indian constitution is rigid as well as flexible. It takes care of all the citizens of India. Though our constitution is quite descriptive, it is silent as well as on certain important aspects. The dynamism has been the biggest strength of our constitution. It modifies itself with time. Though amendments have never been an easy task, still, the Indian Constitution is one of the most amendment documents in the world. It has incorporated all the goods from throughout the world, which depicts the free thinking of all the members of the Constitution cell. The struggle for freedom had made the people aware of the civil rights and duties of an individual. Our Constitution has enlisted and preserved those moral rights in itself, which is now called as fundamental rights. The forming of the constitution was not at all an easy task. It was a gift of all the learnings which our ancestors have got from the freedom struggle, whose sole motto was to develop an ideal society. Thank you for your valuable time. Jai Hind.